Hey, good afternoon. This is Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. I'm doing a video walk around on a 2016 270 Sundeck Outboard. This boat has a 300 Mercury Verado on it. Let me just do a quick walk around the outside. She's dry stored inside. And the owner keeps the cover on it. Has the optional docking lights. As you can tell, the shell coat is in great shape. It's got a very nice shine to it. Don't see any nicks or dings or scrapes or anything like that. Coming around, let me hop up onto the boat for you. Slip my shoes off here. So you've got this transom seat. It does have flip up leg rest, and there is a huge amount of storage inside of here. Let me just see if I can open this real quick for you. So he's got all kinds of life jackets. I mean, this is huge basement down there. Just open it up to show you how much it would store. Stepping on board the boat, you got a walk through door. Upholstery is in great shape, again kept inside under cover. This is a step where if you're coming from the dock, you've got a place to step onto and then down into the boat. Just another example of Sea Ray thinking of all the conveniences. There's also index storage in both of these boxes. Carpet's in good shape. Got a Raymarine chart plotter, digital throttles and controls, VHF radio, stereo. Coming over to the port side, you've got a potty with pump out. There is a table that can either go at that location on the bow, which I took photos of, or back here in the cockpit. There's a bow filler cushion that turns this area into a sun pad. You got drop down armrest. Again, all these cushions are in great shape. And these just flip up, everything's hinged. So you've got tons of storage. Storage underneath the console. Here's your helm seat with a flip up bolster. And then this rotates back on both sides and just turns this whole area into a seating lounge. Or if you want to face forward while underway, the companion chair is like the helm chair, flips back with a bolster. And here's your bow filler cushion I was talking about, throw cushion, and your table, and the mount for the tables in there. This arch is hinged here, so it does lay down if you have a slip restriction. That does lay down. You have the tow eye here, and then for the folks that enjoy wakeboarding, you've got a attachment up there for your line. Show you this carpet real quick. It's in good shape. Let's walk through the boat again. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. If you have any questions about this Sundeck, please give me a call at 910-264-4818. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. 2016 270 SD-OB. Look forward to chatting with you soon.